Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to hide hidden photos on iPhone. So if you have some photo hidden on your iPhone and it's located under hidden in utilities, and of course you want to hide the hidden folder from your iPhone, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to hide hidden album or hidden photos on your iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Photos app. Type in your iPhone passcode or unlock the Photos app to your Face ID. If you lock the Photos app to your Face ID or passcode. Now, you want to scroll down the Photos page. Scroll down until you get to Media Type and Utilities. Now, under Media Type and Utilities, locate and click on Hidden, View Album. Then here, you'll be able to view your hidden album. However, to hide the hidden photo, all you need to do is click on the profile icon at the top right. Scroll down the page, locate Show in Main View. Then make sure you disable Hidden Album if Hidden Album is enabled. Just go ahead and disable that. Then close this page. Then again, come back to Utilities and discover that the hidden album or hidden photo is no longer available. You see that? So that's exactly how to hide hidden photos or album on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.